Hey everyone, hope you've had a cool week. It's Erika here. Our build feature this week is a 56 Chev pickup. Nige, aka Hambster, is going to be giving you all the juicy details on this one. It's a bit of a comprehensive build, a lot involved. Please bear with us as his voice is on its way out. He's under the weather at the moment and I've made him do this anyway.
Hi guys, just thought we'd better do a bit of an update on the grey 56 Chevy pickup truck. This truck was brought to us from a customer who had purchased it out of the USA, sight unseen. Although he had employed a guy over there to go and inspect it for him and give him a report on the condition of it. I think he must have used Stevie Wonder, because when we got the truck it was substandard to say the least. We dismantled it right down to the frame rails and we got an engineer to come and inspect the work that had been done. So what the previous owner had done is he had lopped off the front of the chassis rails and added a Camaro front clip. The Camaro front clip is just a fraction wider than the Chevy frame, so he pinched it in, and in pinching it in he upset the camber adjustment for the front suspension, so it looked like a dirt track speedway car. So anyway, following the engineer's instructions, we plated inside and outside of the frame rails to tie more securely the Chevy frame to the Camaro frame, and then we added some extra box section along the bottom of the frame rails to tie the clip in even further, made it nice and sound. In the rear end we removed the 4-bar mounts that had been very poorly installed, lined up the geometry of the 4 bars so it would actually work correctly and not bind. Once that was done, she got a coat of nice satin black all over the frame, and then Juice did his magic on all the panels, remounted the tray so it actually sat on the frame more correctly, lined up the cab and mounted it square to the frame, and lined up all the front sheet metal so we had nice even gaps all around.
Mobile is out and about up there. Come up and say hello to me and Nige. We'll be, I think, near the lowrider section featuring my lowrider art. Woohoo! Yep, happy customers cruising in Kustoms. Cheers guys.